children, good afternoon. This is Farisha with you. In today's class, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic for the day, that is linear equation in two variable by substitution method. Let me explain you by giving an example. Now on the screen you can see that there are numbers from 10 to 50. These are the numbers, two-digit numbers, okay? Now what you have to do is you have to guess the number which I have guessed it. Out of these 41 digits, you have to tell me that one number which I have guessed it. I know it is very difficult because I haven't given a clue till now, isn't it? So let me help you by converting this into a word problem. Okay. So there are two conditions in this. The first condition says that the sum of the digits of a two-digit number should be 9. And the second condition says that when you subtract original number from the reversed number, you have to get the answer as 45. Okay, let me help you with this. Then we take the number 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I take 1 and add 8 to this, I'll get the answer as 9, 2 plus 7, 3 plus 6, 4 plus 5. All these will give you the sum as 9. So what can I write about the number, two-digit number? If I take 1 and 8, this will be 18. Similarly, 2 and 7 gives you 27, 36 and 45. Okay. This is my original number. Since when you add these two digits, you'll get the answer as 9. Now, moving on to the second part of the statement, that is you have to first write the reverse number. So 18 here, 1 is in tens place, 8 is in ones place. When you reverse the digits, it will be 81, 27 gives 72, 36, 63, 45 is now 54. Okay. One more condition is there, that is when you subtract the original number from the reverse number, you have to get the answer as 45. So only this pair, 27 and 72 gives you the difference 45. That is 72 minus 27. You get the answer as 45. Now what is my original number which I had thought of? That is original number is 27, since it satisfies both the condition. Okay. So here you got the answer by trial and error method. So let me check if I can do it in another way, that is using mathematical equation. So here the unknown number is a two-digit number, isn't it? So I'll take the digit in tens place as x and ones place as y. These two are variable. Okay, these two are variable. You have to find the answer for these two variables. Okay, now the first condition, what is it? When you add these two digits x plus y, you have to get the answer as 9. I'll keep it as equation 1. Now this is the equation, linear equation in two variable x and y. Here both the power of these two variables, it is 1. Linear comes from line. Okay, because when you plot the graph of this equation, you will get the straight line. Okay, now moving on to the second condition, that is original number general form. I'll tell off this is my variable y. Okay, now this 10 into 40 plus 3 into 1. I multiplied 4 with 10 because 4 is in tens place. I multiplied 3 with 1 because 3 is in ones place. Similarly, you can do it for any other two-digit number. Okay, so here this xy, I can write it as 10x plus y. Okay, now here the next step, you have to write the difference. So 10y plus x minus 10x plus y should give you 45. Now here, I'll simplify it for you. 10y plus x, when I open the bracket, I'll get minus 10x. Minus into plus, it is minus y, that is equal to 45. Now, like I'll subtract. 10y minus y, you get the answer as 9y plus x minus 10x will give you minus 9x, that is equal to 45. Now, I have 9 as common. So here, 9 I'll take outside the bracket. Now, y minus x is equal to 45. Now, next step, you'll get done equation as y minus x is equal to 45. It is multiplied by 9. So, when it comes to the right side, this will be divided by 9. 45 by 9 will give you the answer as 5. Okay. Now, here You got the second equation, that is y minus x is equal to 5. Now you have two equations, right? That is x plus y is equal to 9, y minus x is equal to 5. Okay. Now I have to find the answer using substitution method. In substitution method, you can choose any of these two equations. After that, I should write one variable in terms of other. That is, I'll write x is equal to 9 plus y. When it comes to the right side, that will be minus 1. So here, this I can keep it as equation 3. Now what I have to do is I have to substitute equation 3 in 2 to get the answer for y. So here, y minus, in the place of x, it is 9 minus y, that is equal to 5. When I open the bracket, I'll get minus into 9, it is minus 9, minus minus plus y, that is equal to 5. Now I add the like term, that is y plus y will give you 2y, that is equal to 5 minus 9. When it comes to the right side, that will be plus 9. So here you get the answer as 14. Okay, the last line, y is equal to 14. This is multiplied by 2, and when it comes to the right side, that will be divided by 2. So the answer is y is equal to 7. So this is my digit in ones place. Now here I have to get the answer for the digit in tens place also. So here this is, I'll substitute in the third equation. Any of the equation you can substitute. So here x is equal to 9 minus, in the place of y, I'll write it as 7. So here you got the answer as x is equal to 9 minus 7, that is equal to 2. So this is my digit in tens place. So here have the original number. It's the same as what you have got in the trial and error method. What was that? That is 27, and the reverse number you'll get it as 72. This is how you have to solve the question for a two-digit number. Okay, before winding up, let me give you a summary of what I have learned so far. So what I have learned so far? Yes, we have learned what is a linear equation, isn't it? And you know from where this term linear comes from. It is from line. Now what is a variable? A letter that represents an unknown number. Okay. Now linear, power of both the variables it is 1. Okay. Solution, a value for a variable that makes an equation true. Now the general form of original number as well as the reverse number. Original number means it is 10x plus y, and reverse number it is 10y plus x. So that's all for today's session. In upcoming class, we will see more about this type of question and how it is applied in our daily life. Thank you, students. Thank you.
Manorama Horizon. Learning made simple.